Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a captivating ebook interior. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing, we're going to jump right into what we have for today. So how do you create a captivating, or how do you design a captivating ebook interior? There are two ways to go about that. First, you can either create your design from scratch by clicking on the create a design button, which is right here at the top corner of the screen. Or you head over to the search bar and type what exactly you want so you can get into a world of templates that can help with your creative processes. So here's what we're going to do in the search bar. In here, I'm just going to type ebook interior. Awesome. So as you can see, a wide array of ebook interiors that you can definitely choose. All right, so most of these are actually ebook covers. All right, so you're like ebook covers. Just go ahead and search for like layout design, ebook interior, just right inside the book. All right. Okay, we already have one, but that's paid for. So remember the designs that actually have this pro, okay, I've not said that before. I'm so sorry. So they had this pro thing labeled on it. It means you have to upgrade your plan to access them. But then they're also free. The free ones are the ones without the crown. So it doesn't seem like I'm getting the interior. So that means we just have to look for a way to get that done within the creating ourselves. So let's just head over to create a design. All right, fine. So just okay, I'm just gonna go upwards to where I started, and I'm gonna just show you something real quick. Okay, let's stop now here. Okay, so I'm just creating a design. Save the cover. So I'm starting from scratch. Okay. So from this page, I'll just have to do is to look for text. So I'm going to pretty much add the text right here. So let's say heading. So just drag and drop this heading here. And that's it. The title of this book is Effective Study. And I'm adding a subheading so that I can start working on my book. So we're going to say, so I'm just going to like Control A, and in this book we are going to teach you the essentials of the importance of effective Bible study. So let's say I just want to do that, and this is like what I want to have in my interior. So from here, I want to reduce the size quite big. So I just head over here and I reduce the size to 90. I just type 90 and that goes out. And then this, it's already centralized. I don't want it to be centralized. I want it to be aligned. So I can just head over to the top corner here. We have alignment, and this is alignment, right? So I just move it to alignment, and I just drag and just keep it right there. So I want to reduce the size of that to 250, and maybe that goes that way. I'm just gonna drag here. So let's say I want to do something quite fancy. I head over to Element and I search for study, and I just need graphics. So just head over to graphics and see all of this pro thing. I just like pro. So what should I use as my elements? That's exactly what I'm looking for. Just need a really simple element. It's like one thing, so just clicked on that and this entire thing came out. That's big. So I moved on, so I'm just gonna have to delete this. So I'm just dragging and dropping this one over here, and I'm gonna hold the edges to make it smaller, and then I'm gonna drag and drop it here, and of course make it smaller. And so that icon there just gives it this amazing feel. All right, so we're not going to get everything. I can even head over here to click on border because I want to have interesting borders. Just click on all, so I can see borders that I can use to frame. I click on photos, then click on photos to see. Okay, let's just border. Book border. Oh, awesome. Just had to do the worst thing ever. Just gonna click on all, and let me see. I just give him frames. I don't give him exactly what I want. All right, so okay. Okay, not really giving me what I want. So I'm not getting what I want right here. Okay. Book layout. Design. So I move to photo, I move to all to see what I have. Okay, I don't think these guys are really helping me right now. All right, so we got this and we got this. So I'm going to centralize this. So I can just keep writing and writing. All right, but this is an interior. I can even head over to get a line. So let's say line. This line's just drag this line and just take it somewhere here and just move it. That's where I want to. So just click on it and then move. And I'm going to click on this and I'm going to duplicate. Double click to highlight, and I'm just going to do one. that's page 1. So I'm just going to drag this and drop it under here. So that tells me that it's page 1 of this book. So I can just freestyle, explore all of the features. If you want to change font size, I'm going to change font size. Go over here, click font size right here, and then change the font here. Explore these features, click on the three dots menu, and explore more features. So this is pretty much how you can design a captivating ebook interior in Canva. You can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Now click on the share button and click on download to download once you're done. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.